You wrote a wellness plan in January. By February, you weren't doing any of it. You blamed yourself. The plan wasn't the problem you think it was. A wellness plan built around who you want to become will fail in 3 weeks, every time. The aspirational version sounds great. Wake up earlier, meditate longer, eat cleaner, talk to your friends more, be a better version of you. But that plan was built for a person who doesn't exist yet. So when the real you, the one with a job, a family, a hard week, has to live it, the plan breaks. Real wellness plans are built around who you actually are right now, including the parts you haven't fixed, including the patterns you're still working with, including the trigger that hit you on Tuesday. The plan that fits your real life is the one that survives long enough to actually change something. Here's the part most people skip. The plan only works when you stop borrowing someone else's. Your plan has to be written from what's already true about you, your lowest pillar, your repeating trigger, the 2 tools you actually reach for, the anchor that fits your real schedule. When the plan starts there, it sticks. When it starts with who you want to be, it doesn't. This is the final video in the module series. Everything from the last 4 videos lands here. Pillars, triggers, toolkit, routine. The plan stitches them together into one map for the next 90 days, specific to you, not someone else's template. I'm Tim Naylor, a certified peer specialist in mental health and substance abuse. This is Korvani, peer support for adults living real lives. Let's get into it. Let's redefine this one too. A wellness plan isn't a New Year's resolution stack. It isn't a set of goals. It isn't a self-improvement roadmap. A wellness plan is a personal map for the next season, 90 days at a time, that names what's actually happening for you and what you're going to do about it. A real plan has 5 fields: your lowest pillar, your most common trigger pattern, your 2 go-to tools, your 1 anchor, your check-in cadence. That's it. 5 fields. Fits on an index card. Reviewed every Sunday, updated every quarter. The plan isn't aspirational. It doesn't try to make you a different person by next month. It tracks where you actually are, where you're working, and what you're using. When the season changes, the plan changes with you. Because the plan was built from your real life, not a fantasy version. That's the reframe. A wellness plan is a personal operating system, not a self-improvement project. It runs in the background. Most days you don't think about it. Sundays you check in. Quarterly, you update. Day to day, the plan does the work without you babysitting it. That's why it sticks. Aspirational plans require willpower every day to maintain. Operating system plans run themselves once you set them up. So why do most wellness plans fall apart? They were copies of someone else's plan. The wellness industry sells templates, 12-week transformation plans, 90-day reset programs, the perfect morning routine that changed everything for the influencer who made it. None of those plans were built for your life. They were built for the template. Your job was to fit yourself into it. When you can't fit, the plan calls you the failure, not the plan. You. That's not how this works. The plan should fit the person. If your plan needs to assume you have 2 free hours every morning and a quiet evening with no kids, and your real life has neither, the plan is wrong, not you. The fix is, write your plan from the inside out. Start with the truth. What's actually low for you right now? What pattern keeps showing up? What 2 tools do you actually reach for? What 1 anchor fits your real schedule? Build the plan from those answers. Then it fits, because it's already yours. A plan that fits doesn't take willpower. It takes maintenance. Here's where the series lands. Everything from the last 4 videos is about to become 5 lines on paper, specific to you, written tonight. That's the move that turns the time you spent here into something that changes your week. Stay with me. The framework is simple. Quick note before I show you the fields. If this framework is landing, take 5 seconds to hit the like button. It tells YouTube to share this with someone else who's been quitting wellness plans every January. And subscribe so you don't miss the next Korvani series. Anger, anxiety, sleep, burnout, recovery. 1 topic at a time. Okay, back to it. So here's the framework. 5 fields. Each one comes straight from a video in this series. You already have the answers. The plan just collects them. Field 1, your lowest pillar. From video 1, sleep, connection, movement, or calm. Rate yourself 1 to 10 across all 4 right now. The lowest number is field 1. That's where the leverage is for the next 90 days. Don't try to work all 4. Work the lowest one. When it moves, the rest move with it. Field 2, your most common trigger pattern. From video 2, the story underneath, not the event. After 1 week of tracking, event, body, story. Read your entries. The story that repeats is field 2. I'm not enough. I have to handle this alone. nothing ever changes. Whatever shows up across different events, that's the pattern your plan is going to work with. Field 3, your 2 go-to tools. From video 3, pick 2 from the 5-tool toolkit. Not all 5, the 2 you'll actually reach for. Most people pick 1 spike state tool and 1 shutdown state tool. Cold water on the face for the spike. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 grounding for the shutdown. Or whichever 2 fit you best. Pre-decide, tape them to the mirror. Field 4, your 1 anchor. From video 4, pick 1 of the 3 anchors. Morning sunlight, midday reset, or evening phone away. Whichever one connects to your lowest pillar from field 1. That's the anchor you build for the next 14 days before you add the second one. Just one, just to start. Field 5, your check-in cadence. Sunday night, 5 minutes. Re-rate the 4 pillars. Note the trigger story for the week. Note which tools you used. Note whether the anchor held. That's the check-in. The plan updates on its own from those notes. 5 fields: pillar, pattern, tools, anchor, cadence. That's the plan. Fits on an index card. Updates every Sunday. Refreshes every 90 days. Here's the move that turns this video into a real plan. Sit down with a piece of paper tonight. 15 minutes. Write the 5 fields. Field 1, rate the 4 pillars right now. Pick the lowest. Write it. Field 2, if you've been tracking triggers for a week, read your entries and pick the repeating story. If you haven't tracked yet, write down your best guess for the story underneath your last 3 hard moments. Update Field 2 once you've done a real week of tracking. Field 3, pick 2 tools from the toolkit. Cold water, grounding, box breathing, the walk, or the conversation. Pick 2. Write them. Field 4, pick 1 anchor. Morning, midday, or evening. Just 1. Write it. Field 5, write Sunday night, 5 minutes, and put a recurring reminder on your phone right now. Before you forget, that's the plan. On paper, in 15 minutes, tonight. Don't try to make it perfect. The plan gets refined over the next 4 weeks as you actually use it. The first version is rough on purpose. The point is to have something on paper that you can update, not something polished that you never start. After 90 days, you'll write a new plan. Same 5 fields, new answers. Because by then, the lowest pillar will have moved, the pattern will have softened, and the tools will be reflexes. Before we wrap, 5 videos, 1 system. Pillars, triggers, tools, routine, plan. Let's see what's stuck. 5 quick questions, 1 from each video. Soft and conversational. Answer in your head. The right answer reveals on screen. Drop your score in the comments at the end. Even a 1 out of 5 is a starting line. The point isn't the score. The point is what you remember a week from now. Question 1, from video 1. What are the 4 pillars of mental health? A. Diet, exercise, therapy, meditation. B. Sleep, connection, movement, calm. C. Mindset, gratitude, sleep, work. D. Therapy, medication, journaling, breathwork. The answer is B. Sleep, connection, movement, calm. Question 2. From video 2. Every trigger has 3 layers. What are they? A. Past, present, future. B. Cause, reaction, regret. C. Event, body, story. D. Anger, anxiety, shutdown. The answer is C. Event, body, story. Question 3. From video 3. When anger spikes fast and you can't think straight, what's the recommended physical interrupt? A. Just breathe slowly. B. Cold water on your face for 30 seconds. C. Wait it out. D. Talk it through with someone. The answer is B. 30 seconds of cold water on the face. The dive reflex does the rest. Question 4. From video 4. What's the smallest morning change that supports your mood? A. Wake up at 5 a.m. B. 90 minutes of journaling. C. Sunlight in the first 30 minutes after waking. D. Cold plunge. The answer is C. Sunlight. First 30 minutes. That's the anchor. Question 5. From this video. A real wellness plan is built around what? A. A rigid daily schedule. B. Who you want to become. C. Who you actually are right now. D. Other people's routines. The answer is C. Who you actually are right now. The plan that fits is the plan that sticks. 5 questions, 1 score. Drop it in the comments. No judgment on the number. The point is you stayed for all 5. That's the plan. 5 fields. Your lowest pillar, your repeating story, your 2 tools, your 1 anchor, your Sunday check-in. Built from your real life, updated every quarter, fits on an index card. This was the final video in the module series. If you've been with me through all 5, thank you. Drop your quiz score in the comments. Let me know which video moved the most for you. The next series on Korvani goes deeper on individual pieces: anger, anxiety, sleep, burnout, recovery, one topic at a time. If you want the full version, the wellness plan template, a 90-day tracker, and example plans from peers in different seasons, it's in the Korvani workbook at stan.store/Korvani. Link in the description. Subscribe to Korvani so you don't miss the next series. If you stayed for all 5, you didn't just watch. You started something. That counts. The plan is yours now. Take it slow. This is peer support, not therapy, not medical advice, not a replacement for clinical care. The 5-field plan complements clinical care. It doesn't replace it. If you're in active treatment, share the plan with your clinician so they can fit it to your treatment goals. If you're in crisis right now, call or text 988. I'm Tim Naylor. Drop your thoughts in the comments. I see every comment.